Yes, dear students, chemistry 11th चलाएं states of matter. तो आज इस topic that is deviation of gases from ideal behavior. We have seen that all gases obey different gas laws as well as gasification. तो सह gas यस obey करान gas laws under all conditions of temperature and pressure तमन वनान ideal gases. क्या वनान ideal gases गए तम gases which obey gas laws under all conditions of temperature and pressure. But actually none of the gases have been seen to obey these conditions under all conditions of temperature and pressure. They tend to obey these gases at when the pressure is low and temperature is high, and deviate maximum under reverse conditions when the pressure is high and temperature is low. Such gases which do not follow ideal behavior, they are called as real gases. The deviation of gases from ideal behavior is expressed in terms of compressibility factor Z. So Z is equal to relation Z is equal to PV beta N or T. For ideal gases, Z is equal to 1. Substitute the value of here in this equation. Tell go you so PV is equal to nRT. Now gas equation. For real gases, Z is not equal to 1. Go Z is equal to 1 skin till she greater than 1 or less than 1. If Z is less than 1, the gas is more compressible than expected from the ideal behavior. If Z is greater than 1, then it is less compressible. The gas is less compressible than expected from the ideal behavior, and this is called positive deviation. Which one is negative deviation? Deviation of gases from ideal behavior. Ideal gases beta tum gases बनाइस यमुक OB करा gas law as well as gas equation under all conditions of temperature and pressure. But actually none of the gas can respond these conditions under all conditions of temperature and pressure. Gases have ideal behavior at low pressure and high temperature. The deviation under reverse conditions, that is high pressure and low temperature. Gases ideal behavior havan real gases. The deviation of gases from ideal behavior expressed in terms of compressibility factor Z. So Z is equal to PV beta nRT. Agar Z is the 1 value beta, then PV is equal to nRT for ideal gas equation. OBS. For ideal gas equation, compressibility factor Z is equal to 1. Draw equation. For real gases, Z is not equal to 1. If Z equal to 1, then what will be the value of Z? It can either be less than 1 or it can be greater than 1. When the value of Z is less than 1, the gas is more compressible than expected from ideal behavior. When the value of Z is greater than 1, it is less compressible. Go which one out the negative deviation? Yet one positive deviation. Plots for the compressibility factor Z and pressure of gases. Hydrogen helium nitrogen methane carbon dioxide. Graph yapar goes pressure, yapar goes beta compressibility Z house yet goes 0 value, it goes 0.5 reading 1.0 1.5, it will go 2.0. Your goes atmospheric pressure how is 100, but goes 200, 300, 400. Shabash. At 1.0, how is compressibility factor? How is ideal for Z is equal to 1. Z is equal to 1. Go ideal gas equation. Here is the value of Z as greater than 1. When the value of Z is 1, the gas is less compressible. Gas is less compressible. Tell how graph is put in. हाइड्रोजन ये हीलियम तम गैस लेस कंप्रेसिबल तो वन अगर हाव इत पे यह कंप्रेसिबल नाइट्रोजन मीथेन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज़्यादा कंप्रेस गसान यथ गो जेड इज लेस देन 1 यानी ज़्यादा कंप्रेस गसान एट लो टेम्परेचर तो यह कंप्रेस गसान कम यानी लेस कंप्रेस कम हाइड्रोजन हीलियम तवे कंप्रेसिव फैक्टर जेड इज ग्रेटर देन 1 ये जेड इज लेस देन 1 ज़्यादा कंप्रेस एट लो प्रेशर वन अगर हाव इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर क्या हाव इफेक्ट ऑफ टेम्परेचर The effect of temperature on the behavior of gas can be studied by selecting a particular gas, say nitrogen. Then plot the graph between pressure and PV. Plot the graph between pressure and PV. थो नजर यह बनो ग्राफ यपर हाउ pressure यपर हाउ PV at different temperatures T1 T2 T3 so on T4 यूता टेम्परेचर कम यूता डिप्रेशन ज़्यादा यूता टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज गसान यूता डिप्रेशन गसान कम ठीक गो T1 पे ज़्यादा यह डिप्रेशन मतलब गो यह ज़्यादा कंप्रेस गसान from the it is that the deviation from the ideal behavior is quite large at low temperature यूता temperature increase गसान deviation गसान कम at T4 dip almost गसान disappear गो इस पर behave कर यह गो complete almost बनी horizontal line इस पर कर behave as an ideal behavior इस पर कर तो यह temperature boiling point temperature वन क्या वन यह बूझ now the effect of temperature on the behavior of gas can be studied by selecting particular gas, say nitrogen. The plots between different values of pressure and PV is shown. From the plot it is evident that deviation from the ideal behavior is quite large at low temperature पर deviation ज़्यादा गसान तो यूता टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज गसान deviation गसान कम that means ideal behavior however at a certain temperature T4 the dip decreases and the curve remains horizontal curve almost horizontal the this temperature is called as Boyle's temperature as Boyle's temperature so the curve remains almost horizontal at low temperature boiling temperature क्या वन boiling लिहाजा boiling point क्या गो that temperature at which a real gas behaves like an ideal gas over appreciable range of pressure गो सो temperature यह पे real gas है express करुन तथ वन as an ideal gas तथ वन Boyle's temperature क्या वन for nitrogen the Boyle's temperature 323 Kelvin go the temperature at which a real gas tends to behave as ideal that's known as Boyle's temperature for nitrogen boiling point is 323 Kelvin for hydrogen it is 108 Kelvin